Yo, what's going on, iron operators? In today's video, I'm going to be giving you the exact offer that we use to scale to 9K MRR in the agency, and why I think this is the absolute best offer to sell to local businesses right now, as far as demand, as far as your money model, as far as scale, especially in the age of AI. So let's get right into it. The offer is a setup fee. You charge them per lead, and then you charge them some low ticket infrastructure retainer. And I'll explain this entire offer right now. The setup fee is positioned as, well, let me get into what the actual fulfillment is. It's, we do done for you meta ads. We build them out a funnel, a site, and instant lead response with GoHighLevel. So we're managing their campaign. That's what the setup fee is for. We're building out the creatives, and you can do all this with AI. And we build them a site, a funnel. We make the site optimized for on-page SEO. It's a really popular offer right now, but it's popular because it fucking works. And you charge them that $297 for the maintenance of the site, the funnel, their phone number, everything like that. And you charge them $50 per lead that they get from Meta, but they pay for the ad spend. So that's the entire offer. I'll get into like the fulfillment and how we position it. The setup is the management fee or the setup is just like getting all the campaign set up and everything like that. Onboarding fee, whatever you want to call it. $50 per lead is the performance, and I'll get into the copy later. And then the $297 is just infrastructure. It's just the infrastructure fee, whatever. And how we fulfill on this is we do AI image ads to start the campaign at least. We, start the meta campaigns. We just find what the winners are in the ad library. And then they just get leads. It's so fucking simple. You just build out a nice little quiz funnel, and then all your leads get pre-qualified. They are, pretty much ready to buy, ready to book a quote. And then you have that instant lead response on the back end of the phone number. And so the leads aren't going cold. You sell that, and it's pretty easy to fulfill. It really is. The only hard part right now that we're kind of trying to productize is the onboarding flow of getting their Google Business Profile access, getting their Meta account full access, everything like that. But that's really the offer. And the fulfillment on that is we have an onboarding funnel that it's like a 10, 12 step form that they go through one by one. And, we charge them $50 per lead, and then they get the GoHighLevel account. We register the A2P for them, and it just works. That's the offer that we're running right now. I'm trying to think if there's anything that I'm missing. We also want to get into Google, PPC and LSA, all that shit, but right now that's the offer that's just working. If you guys like this video, more is in the school community that you can join in the link in the description. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.